Hi, this is RP. Today is 5th April 2022. So we'll see how we have to trade tomorrow. That is 6th April 2022. So Nifty has given a small pullback today. It closed at 17,957. So opened in higher side, but the closing, and moreover last half an hour or last 1 hour there was a lot of selling pressure in the market, so that may continue tomorrow also. So tomorrow we may test this lower levels around 17,800 or 17,780, that kind of levels it may test tomorrow. So only our plan should be buy on dips only. So good entry points around 17,750 to 17,780 is the best entry point for us, keeping a stop loss of 17,700 below. That way we can plan for Nifty. So normally the wave may fall like this. Now the price may come down to this gap area, right? So after filling the gap, we can expect some upward momentum towards this level. So this way we can plan for our trading for a positional basis. And now the key level is 17,517. So this is our key level. As long as Nifty sustain above this level, our idea should be buy on dips only. So now we'll see the bank Nifty levels also. So this is bank Nifty daily candlestick chart. So some selling pressure today from the higher levels. So we can expect some more downside around 37,500. So that is the area where we can go for a long entry on a positional basis. So now the key level is 37,493. As long as bank Nifty sustains above this level, our strategy should be buy on dips only for the target of 39,000 and 39,500 on a positional basis. So next we'll see intraday trading levels for tomorrow Nifty and Bank Nifty Futures. Nifty Futures trading levels for 6th April 2022 will buy above 18,080 and will sell below 17,920 with a stop loss of 0.25% and aim for a target of 40 to 50 points. Bank Nifty Futures trade plan for 6th April will buy above 38,425 and will sell below 37,950 with a stop loss of 0.25% and aim for the target of 150 to 200 points. So simple rule, the 5 minutes chart we have to use. The 5-minute candle should close above 38,425, then only we will buy, and we will sell if the candle closes below 37,950, then we will go for a short entry and we will keep a stop loss of 0.25% and we will aim for a target of 150 to 200 points in Bank Nifty. Now we'll see two stocks for positional trading. This is a Dixon. So there is an opportunity for buying this stock because the momentum is strong. Today has given a breakout and expecting this stock may test 4,880 to 5,020. These are the two places where we can book our profits. So now the entry is important. Where we can enter is previous swing high. So it closed above that. So this area we can enter around 4,560, 580. That is one entry point if the price comes down, or we can enter today above today's high, that is 4,690. If sustains above 4,690, then we can enter, or any pullback we can enter at 4,550 kind of levels and keeping a stop loss below 4,410 and aim for a target of 4,880 to 5,020. These are the two levels where we can take out our profits. This is a Dixon. Then another stock, this is Havelis India. So decent momentum today. It has given a breakout. This swing high has given a breakout. So with a volume, there is a decent volume today and the price moved sharply, and we can expect this rally will continue to the level of 3,000 1358 to 1398, two levels on the upper side. So best entry is any pullback can be bought or today's high breaks, that is 1264 above. Then only you can buy the stock and keep a stop loss below 1200 and aim for a target of 1358 to 1398. Two stocks we identified for the short-term trading opportunity, and keep strict stop loss as per the stop loss rules. So then take out your profits whenever the target reaches. This is the momentum stocks for the short-term trading opportunity. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.